Artlist.io.
Hello and welcome back to our SolidWorks Basics tutorial series. In this video, we'll be diving into the exciting world of creating sketches. Sketches form the foundation of your 3D models in SolidWorks, so let's get started. To begin, make sure you're in the part or assembly workspace.
Licensing reimagined.
To create a sketch, go to the Sketch tab at the top and select Sketch from the drop-down menu. Now, choose the plane on which you want to create your sketch. You can select the front, top, or right plane depending on your design needs. With your plane selected, it's time to start sketching. SolidWorks offers a variety of sketch tools such as lines, circles, rectangles, and more. Let's start with the Line tool. To create lines using the Line tool, simply click on the line icon in the Sketch toolbar. Then, click once to start your line and click again to add the endpoint. If you want to draw multiple lines to create complex shapes, you can continue clicking to add more line segments. When you're finished drawing lines or want to exit the Line tool, you don't need to look for a specific exit button. Instead, simply press the Escape key on your keyboard. This will finish the current sketch entity you're working on and exit the Line tool.
Artlist.io.
It's a quick and convenient way to wrap up your sketching and move on to the next step. Moving on to the Circle and Rectangle tools, SolidWorks offers various methods to create these shapes. Let's explore the options. To draw a circle, click on the Circle tool. You can either click and drag to define the circle's diameter or click once for the center and once again for the perimeter. This gives you the flexibility to create circles based on your design needs. When it comes to rectangles, SolidWorks provides different methods for creating them. You can use the traditional corner rectangle method by clicking and dragging from one corner to another. For precise control, the center rectangle method lets you specify the center point and dimensions. Additionally, the 3-point corner and 3-point center methods offer even more ways to create rectangles. And if you need parallelograms, you can use the parallelogram tool. Speaking of dimensions, let's use the Smart Dimension tool. Click on it, then select the edges or points you want to dimension. Enter the value and your sketch will adjust accordingly.
Artlist.io.
Sketch relations ensure your design's accuracy. Easily add relations like horizontal, vertical, coincident, and more by clicking one point to another while holding the Control key. If you make a mistake or need to edit your sketch, don't worry. You can use tools like Trim Entities to remove unwanted lines or modify to adjust dimensions and shapes. When you're done creating your sketch, simply click on the green checkmark to exit the sketch environment. Your sketch is now a feature that you can build upon. And there you have it! Creating sketches in SolidWorks made easy! Remember, sketches are the building blocks of your designs, so mastering these basics is essential. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more SolidWorks tutorials. Thanks for watching!